Pwede na kaya agad doon. Marami pa lang sumasalan sa lamin.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I will be teaching you Salamin by Dean. And if you want to learn to dance, just keep on watching. Before we start, let's mirror this video. Ayun, here now. So this is my left and this is my right. Let's start. So our very first move is we're going to jump like that. So yung jump mo, hindi siya like over na ganyan. It's very slight. Gaganyan ka lang. Okay, so small jump lang siya. Ganyan. And the next is 1, 2, and 3. First, you're going to step with your right. Step. Pagka-step mo ganyan, nakaside siya. So nakaganyan ka. And the lower body is facing here on your left. And then yung katawan mo naman is going to face in front. So it's like opposite. Nakaganyan ka. Then yung kamay mo naman is nakayato ka. So palms facing forward. And then you're going to put it here sa taas pang right. It's going to be 1. And the passion, you're like wiping a mirror. So 1. And then yung paa mo naman is nakaganito ka, di ba? Next is you're going to step with your left. 2. So pagka-step mo ganyan, you're facing here. So left. Next is you're going to like kind of face the right. Pero hindi siya sobrang face like. It's just 1, 2. So slight na face na siya sa right. And then yung paa mo is going to be 1. And then you're going to step with your left. So yung left mo is kind of like you're going to your center. Naturally, if you go to step your left, magsa-step din yung right nyo. Para siyang madadala. Like gaganyan ka, di ba? 1 and then 2. So nakaganyan ka na. And then you're facing here. 1 and 2. And the next is 3, yung right mo, papupunta mo siya dito sa may left nyo. So, you're going to close it to your left. Ganyan. And your body is facing here. So, left, right. And then, nakayin tayo, going down. And then, your both hands going to be here. So, right. Nakayin yan. Ulitin natin. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and 3. Next is 4, 5, and 6. From here is going to do a little jump. And then, pagka-jump mo, so yung naka-heard yung paa mo. Nakaganyan ka pagka-jump mo. And then, yung kamay mo naman, you're going to go up. Then, nakakamaw kang ganito. And then, yung wrist mo, you're going to do it like this. Like, they're touching. So, kasabay nyo ng jump. 4. And then, next is you're going to slow down. 5 and 6. So, para mo siyang i-open. 5 and 6. And then, 7 and 8. So, yung dito naman, 5 and 6. Yung heel mo, pupunta mo siya sa left. Left, and then right, and then left. Then, katawan nyo naman, nasa harap pa din siya. You're just going to bend left para papunta ka sa back. So, ganyan. 4. Then 5, 6, and then 7, and 8. Pagkarating dito sa 8, from down, tatouch mo ulit yung wrist mo. Okay, so 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next is 8, 7, 6, and 5. Yung dito naman, after here, you're going to face here. Nakayito ka sa right, and then yung ulo nyo is nakaside lang siyang ganyan. So, para kang dito naglilin. And then yung kamay mo naman, here sa taas, and then nakakamok pa din, taas. You're going to slowly put it down, 4 counts. Ayan siya. From here, up, papunta siya dito sa may waist niyang ganyan. And then yung paa niyo naman is like this. So, una is nakaside siyang ganyan, and then open, and then babalik, and then open, and balik, and then open, balik, 4 times. Para siyang 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Yung katawan niyo naman is para na siyang gaganyan. Like, right, balik, right? And then you're going to do like small na wave. Like, gaganyan ka. Okay? So, you're going to do small waves. Like, you're going to move your body. Okay? Ganyan. So, yung kamay mo naman is nakaganto na siya sa side. So, 8, 7, 6, and 5. And the next is 4, 3, So from here, yung left mo, you're going to slowly pull it sa body mo, ganyan. And then pagka-pull mo ganyan is, igagalito mo yung paa mo. So you're going to bend and then your left is like, nakaganit pa siya. And then lahat ng bigat mo, ilalagay mo siya dito sa right. Yung papunta mo siya dito sa waist mo, yung kamay mo. So from here, 8, 7, 6, and 5, and then 4, 3. Next is 2, 1. So after here, you're going to step in your left, and then right, and then kamay mo naman, nakalito siya, peace sign, and then
Salamin,
your
maghirap.
mata niya. So nakalito.
Wala sa naman yun ko.
Repeat the same moves starting dun sa jump. Para mo siyang gagawin mo siya ng 2 beses. Yung kaibahan lang nila is yung first 8 is, di ba, nakaganito siya. Yung next naman,
Dahil mong punta. Sa'yo na lang agad.
na baka